Introducing the third generation Suzuki Escudo, also known as the Suzuki Grand Vitara. A compact SUV that stands out with its bold, angular design and unbeatable versatility. This is the perfect blend of Suzuki's long-standing expertise in building rugged, reliable off-road vehicles and the smooth driving comfort you'd expect from a family car. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading off-road, the Escudo's powerful four-wheel drive system and low-gear transmission deliver top-notch performance. Built from 2005 to 2017, it's the perfect choice for anyone looking for a reliable, affordable SUV that can handle any adventure. See if the Suzuki Escudo's qualities will win you over. Overview. Despite its age, the Grand Vitara looks dignified and shows that it has aged well. Its angular, compact shape with large windows gives it a strong presence. Large wheels, high ground clearance, and a distinctive character make it stand apart. The Grand Vitara isn't just about looks, it's about everyday driving, both in town and on the highway. It also offers plenty of fun for off-road adventures. It handles rough terrain with ease, and snow is hardly an obstacle. Although it lacks the advanced off-road modes found in modern SUVs, its simplicity and tried and tested powertrain means it can easily outperform most of them. With its rugged construction, not much can go wrong, and its unique body design combines the traditional frame with the bodywork typical of highly utilitarian off-road vehicles. The model shown here is the Japan spec version with a 5-door body. It is 4.42 meters long, 1.81 meters wide, and 1.68 meters high. The wheelbase is 2.64 meters. A 40 centimeters shorter 3-door version was available in Europe. This had a 20 centimeters shorter wheelbase. From the silhouette, it is clear that short front and rear overhangs are part of the off-road performance design. It's worth noting that the Grand Vitara was also offered in a rear-wheel drive only version for the USA, which limited its practicality. The front shows that this is a model before the facelift. The later edition has a redesigned front bumper, side mirrors, embedded turn signals, plus some changes to the interior and braking system. Headlamps could be either halogen or xenon projectors, as here, also available with bumper-mounted washers. 3-door models are equipped with halogen projector-less headlights. Road illumination is good with a clear cut-off line. Inside, the Escudo offers a relatively spacious interior with excellent visibility. The boxy body of the car makes it easier to judge its shape when parking in tight spaces. The turning radius is not the greatest, but 5.3 meters is still enough considering the full-time 4-wheel drive. 17 or 18-inch wheels look good, and the standard 20 centimeter ground clearance is something you will appreciate when driving over curbs, rough roads, and off-road. Same as the 2008 Subaru Forester, or 3 centimeters more than the 2008 Toyota RAV4. Access to the front and rear is easy, as the doors are large, and getting in and out is not a problem. Door handles are comfortable. At the rear, there's a spacious boot and a spare wheel mounted on the rear door. There are also versions without a spare wheel, with a different rear door and bumper. Interior. The interior is simple, clear, and ergonomically designed. Although the materials are not of the highest quality and there are no soft touch plastics, everything feels solid, does not squeak, and stands the test of time relatively well without deteriorating. Both the front and rear seats are quite large and comfortable enough for anyone up to 190 centimeters tall. Rear seat passengers are provided with a center armrest, and the backrest is reclinable. The driver's seat is also height adjustable. There is plenty of headroom in the front and rear. Seat upholstery can be fabric as here or leather, and might include heating as trim shown here. Seats are on the soft side and lack side support, but are comfortable for everyday use when getting in and out of the car. Inside, there is plenty of storage space to ensure the car is kept tidy daily. The driver faces a clear set of instruments, plus a small display on the center console showing fuel economy, time, and outside temperature. The facelifted version has a different instrument cluster with a digital center display. Climate control is automatic, but the temperature is set without a display. There are several driving modes to choose from. Permanent drive on both axles is a real rarity in today's world of crossovers and SUVs. The Escudo also offers a reduced gear ratio. 4 modes are available. Neutral, when the entire drivetrain is disconnected. 4H, permanent drive on both axles. 4H lock, when the 4X4 drive is locked at the central differential. Or L4 lock, drive lock as in the previous mode plus gear reduction. The selection is made with a knob. The gear lever also allows additional gear limiting to 3, 2 or 1 gear. Driving is enjoyable as the suspension is quite soft and absorbs bumps without making any noticeable noise. The multi-link independent rear suspension works well and adds to the ride comfort compared to cars with rigid axles. Cabin noise is much lower than in a Subaru Forester of the same age. If you decide to go for the V6 engine-powered version, the drive is going to be smooth and quiet. The only noise will come from the tyres at the rear and the boot. Luggage space. Escudo's square-formed boot is another advantage. However, it should be noted that the doors of the boot open to the side. This can make it difficult to use in certain situations. The load floor is flat and there is an additional storage compartment. The standard capacity is 387 litres, which can easily be increased to 2,065 litres. Price at BEFORWARD. Similar Suzuki Escudo you can buy at BEFORWARD. The 2005 to 2017 model starts from $2,210 US. Please check current prices and stock on the BEFORWARD website. Engine and chassis. The powertrain of the presented car is one of 5 available petrol engines. You can choose between the 106 bhp 1.6 4-cylinder, the 140 bhp 2.0 litre 4-cylinder presented here, the 178 bhp 2.4 4-cylinder, or the extremely smooth and quiet 2.7 V6 with 185 bhp, or 3.2 with 233 bhp. There is also a diesel engine variant powered by Renault's 1.9 DDIS diesel. Choose from automatic gearboxes, such as the one shown here with 5 or 4 speeds, as well as a 5-speed manual. While the V6 powered cars are fast and pleasantly tiring, the 4-cylinder versions are a bit weaker, noisier, and do not perform particularly well. Fuel consumption is not the Escudo's biggest advantage. The 2-litre version consumes around 10 litres per 100 kilometres, which gives a range of around 650 kilometres with a 66-litre tank. The V6 versions consume 3 to 5 litres more on average, but are worth the choice if you want to enjoy your drive. For the best fuel economy, the 1.9 diesel could be a choice, averaging around 6.5 litres. Thanks to the front and rear independent wishbone suspension, combined with a rigid body and a superb, solid, full-time 4-wheel drive, the handling is good. Only in extreme off-road conditions, such as wading through water, the Escudo will not be able to compete with the true off-road legends, as the axle vents are just too low. Braking performance is good, with the facelift replacing a drum brake at the rear with a disc system, which significantly improves stopping power in extreme situations. It also eliminates the problem of uneven drum wear, which can cause noise when braking. Escudo is very good at towing trailers and can handle a lot of weight. If you are inspired to choose the Escudo as a companion for your off-road adventures and everyday cruising on the tarmac, check out our stock at BEFORWARD.JP, where you will find great bargains. You can also send your inquiries to top@BEFORWARD.JP.